You can do this in 30 seconds. Take my word for it. Yes, even if you have no editing skills, you can do it and you will get paid for it. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can make money with CapCut Canva and ChatGPT, and you can get started right now because all these methods are free and do not require any special skills or previous experience. First of all, if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. By the way, you can also show some support by liking, commenting on, and sharing this video. And most importantly, you won't need to show your face in the videos either. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first way to earn money using these 3 tools is by creating short clips from movies and TV shows using CapCut. You probably already know that there is a huge demand for this kind of content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. So here's how we're going to make money off of it. Simply download the movie or the TV show clip that we want to edit onto our computer and then open it up in CapCut. Once we have the clip opened up, we can start making edits to it by adding text, transitions, and effects. You can use the built-in templates to save time or add your own personal touch. By using the free resources available on websites like pixels.com or pixabay.com, you can find a lot of free stock footage, videos, and music tracks there that you can easily add to your project. Just make sure that you choose music that is not copyrighted, as we do not want any copyright issues in the future. So once you've added in all your graphics and effects to the video, export it as an MP4 file. Now you can go to a website called InVideo and sign up for an account. If you have one already, just log in. Then click on Create Video and upload the edited clip that you made in CapCut. Choose a thumbnail for the video, write a title and a description, hit Publish, and select the platform you want to publish on. As you can see, you can post directly to social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram, or you can download the link and share it wherever you want. Since we are using royalty-free music and sound effects, we won't have any copyright issues with this method. So you can keep 100% of the ad revenue generated from the video. With this method, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 per video, depending on how popular it is. If you get really good at creating these types of videos, you can turn it into a full-time business. There are people out there who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing exactly this. If you're looking for inspiration, check out some creators and see how they do it. Now, the second way to earn money with CapCut and Canva is by creating animated videos with quotes and lyrics. To get started, simply search online for inspirational quotes or song lyrics that you want to include in your videos. Once you have your quote or lyrics, you can head over to Canva and choose a template that you like the most. If you want to make quote videos, I recommend using templates with a transparent background so that you can place the text wherever you want. For example, this template is great because it has a transparent background and you can easily add your own background image. Simply click on the image and upload the background image. After that, you can change the text to whatever quote or lyrics you want to include in your video. You can also change the font style, color, and size. When you're done, download the template as a PNG file. Now head over to CapCut and create a new project. Drag and drop the downloaded file into the project and then double-click it to add it to the timeline. Go to the Audio tab and click on Add Audio. Here you can add background music to your video. Make sure that you always use royalty-free music for your videos so that you do and have any copyright issues. You can use websites like Artlist or Epidemic Sound for this purpose. There are also free alternatives available, but I highly recommend that you invest in a good music subscription if you want to take your video editing seriously. Anyway, when you're done adding in the music, you can preview the video by playing it from the timeline. If you're happy with the result, export the video and you're good to go. Publish the video on social media platforms where you can earn money from views. This method is a little bit more difficult than the first one, and you may not go viral with it. But still, you can get a decent amount of views and earn money with it. I would recommend making videos about motivational quotes and lyrics because this type of content usually gets the most views. You can make around $10 to $50 per video with this method. Moving on to the third way to make money with CapCut and Canva. Have you ever seen those videos on social media platforms that have text on them and the background keeps changing? These types of videos are very easy to make and you can make a lot of money with them. The best part is that you can automate most of the process by using ChatGPT and CapCut. So first things first, come up with a list of topics that you want to include in your video. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a bunch of headlines for you. For example, I asked ChatGPT to give me 20 headlines about productivity, and I got this list of headlines. All you have to do is copy the headlines and paste them one by one into ChatGPT. Ask it to generate captions for each headline. It'll take a few seconds, and you will have a list of captions that you can use for your video. After that, head over to Canva and choose a template. I recommend using a template with a transparent background so that you can easily change the background for each scene. Double-click on the text boxes and change the text to the captions that you generated with ChatGPT. When you're done, download the template as a PNG file. Now head over to CapCut and create a new project. Drag and drop the downloaded file into the project, and then double-click it to add it to the timeline. Repeat this process until you have all the scenes in your video. You can simply repeat the same process that I showed you in step 2 to add a background image to each scene. When you're done, you can preview the video by playing it from the timeline. If you're happy with the result, export the video, and you're ready to go. With this method, you can expect to make around $10 to $50 per video. Up next, we have another way to make money using CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT, and that is by creating short clips of stock footage videos with voiceovers. This is a great way to earn money because you can automate most of the process by using AI tools. To get started, head over to a website that provides stock footage videos and sign up for an account. Most of these websites offer a free trial so you can test it out before paying for it. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of video ideas that you can use for your voiceovers. Once you have your list of video ideas, head over to the website and choose a stock footage video that you want to use for your voiceover. For example, I chose this video and asked ChatGPT to generate a voiceover script for it. When I hit enter, ChatGPT gives me a voiceover script that I can use for my video. Now all I have to do is copy the script and head over to a website that offers AI voice cloning services. They have a free trial, so you can test it out before paying for it. Paste the script into the box and choose a voice for your voiceover. I chose this voice for this particular video. Click on record and wait for the voiceover to finish processing. Once it's done, download the file and head over to CapCut. Create a new project. Drag and drop the video and the voiceover into the project, and then double-click the video to add it to the timeline. Export the video, and you're good to go. With this method, you can expect to make around $20 to $100 per video. And that's it. That's how you can make money using CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you all the best in your online journey. Kindly like, share, comment, and press the subscribe button for more money-making content.